Math 87, lesson 107, page unknown. I forgot to write it down. 665? Yeah. Page 665. This is about slope. We're talking about slope. We're talking about the slope of a line. You have the slope of a hill, slope of a mountain, slope of a street. Slope. It's whether it goes up or down, how much it goes up or down. Okay, every line has a slope. It's either a whole number, a fraction. It could be negative. It could be positive. It could be zero, or it could be absolutely nothing. We'll get to those last two in a little bit. I would strongly advise, I would strongly suggest, I would beg you to write this down somewhere. Slope. Slope is either the rise, it is the rise over the run. It's the up, down, over the left, right. It's the up, down, over the left, right. It's the up or down, over the left or right. On a graph, this thing right here, on the x, this is positive, this is negative. On the y, this is positive, this is negative. Okay, so we're going to go up or down, and then we're going to go left, right. Our goal is to start on the line somewhere. Let's go over to this one here. Line A, the green line. Right here, we'll use green. We want A. So what we're going to have is the slope. We want to find where the line crosses on one of these little corners, like on your graph paper. This is where the corner is, the grid system, if you will. I want to know how far up I have to go and how far right I have to go to get back on the line. That's where it's back on the grid system. So I'm going to go straight up. I'm going to go 1, 2. That's 2 up, positive. 1, 2. From here, I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, and I'm back on the line. Okay, if I kept going, I'd go up 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, and I'm back on the line. The slope is 2 over 3. You got to listen to me, my little ones. It has to be the rise over the run. If you write 3 over 2, it's wrong. Okay, it's not, you don't start and go left, right. You start and go up or down, and then you're either going to go to the left or to the right to get back onto the line. You have to start right on a grid system and end up on the grid system. Let's look at line B. Right here. We're going to start right here. The next time it crosses everything is right here. So we're going to go down 1, 2, 3. Down 3. You understand? Negative 3. On the y-axis, we're going down 3. And from here, we're going to go 1, positive 1. That's the slope. Negative 3 over 1. That's the slope. We're going to go down 3 and right 1. We're going to go down 3 and right 1. Okay? Next one here is line C. All right? So first of all, we have to find out where it crosses, which two places. Here and here is where it crosses the grid system. Or here and here. It doesn't matter which ones. It can't be here. That's not on the grid system. It doesn't even touch the y-axis. But you see, it crosses right there, and it crosses right there. So from here, we're going to go rise, up or down. We're going to go up, 1, 2. So we go up 2 from this spot, 1, 2, and then we go to the right, 1. Slope is 2 over 1. The brown line, it's negative 3 over 1. 1, 2, 3, 1. We're back on the thing. For A, it's 2 over 3. Up 2, right 3. Up 2, right 3. Okay, slope. All right, let's come over here. What do I do with my red marker? That's crazy. I can't just lay these things down so quickly and lose them. It's amazing. Well, oh, it's right there. All right, line A. Now, I don't have all the little fancy stuff here, but it crosses right here. Do you see that? And right here. So from here, we're going to come up we're going to come up and over. You with me? Now, from left to right, it's going uphill. That's a positive slope. Positive slope here. From here to here. From left to right, we went up. From left to right, we went up. Positive slope. From left to right, we went down. Negative. Well, that was good. Negative slope, all right? Positive slope. So we're going to go up. 1, 2, 3. We went 1, 2, 3 right here. And then from here, we went 1, 2. We went up 3 and then right 2. Up 3, right 2. We're back on the line. All right? How about B? From B, negative or positive slope. It's going downhill, left to right, downhill. It's a negative slope, all right? So let's just see if we can figure this out. I'm thinking if we come up right here, if we come up from here and then right to here, you understand? I'm just looking to see. This spot here is where we're starting, not here. We're starting here. We're going to go down 1, 2. Going to go down 2, and right 1, and we're back on the line. If we're right here, we go down 2 and right 1, we're back on the line. From here, we go down 2 and right 1, we're back on the line. Right here? Okay, from here, I'm not going to go with that, all right? What's our last color here? Orange. C. This is a positive slope, left to right. So let's just see what we've got here. It crosses right here. It crosses right here. So from here, we're going to go up 1 and right 2. We'll go up 1 and right 2. That's a slope of 1, 2. Is that good? Go up 1, right 2. Wow. Maybe I'm not right. Let's see. There's the other. I missed it. Check this out. Goes up 1 and right 1, 2, 3. This is where it crosses. It's harder without all the little lines on there. So let's just see here. Up 1 and right 3, back on the line. Okay? Does that make sense? Sorry, I blew that first time. It looked like it was there, but it's not. You're doing this, I would highly suggest you do this on graph paper. You look at graph paper when you're doing it so you can count, and you're looking from where it goes from a corner on the graph to a corner on the graph. A corner on the graph to a corner on the graph, like that, okay? You're looking for where it goes a corner on the graph to a corner on the graph. That's what you're counting. It's rise, up, or down, run, left or right. The rise over the run. Okay, I want to show you a special case here real quick. Get a different color because that one is not the best, all right? So if we have our graph here like this, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So if I have a line that just does this, this is my line. Now, this one here, it never crosses the y-axis. Do you see that? There's never anything there. So it's up, down, but it's never left, right. So what it's got is something over 0. Up whatever, it's got some number, a, over 0. You cannot have a 0 on the bottom of a fraction. That has no slope. It's undefined. A vertical line does not have a slope at all. The slope isn't 0. It has no slope. Okay? The other special case is this one here. Right here. Now this one never passes the x-axis. It has no up or down, but it does have a left-right. Does that make sense? It has no up or down, but it does have a left-right. It has no up or down, but it has some number for the left-right. That is a slope of 0. That's a 0 slope. It's okay to have 0 on the top of the fraction. There's no rise or run, and it's anything down here. This one has anything on the rise or run and 0. It doesn't go anywhere on the bottom. This one you can't have. This has, it's not like I can't have the line. It is no slope. No slope exists. This is a slope of 0. Vertical line, no slope. Horizontal line, slope of 0. Please write that thing down to refer to it. Come back and look at the lesson.